Rework for Mobile Device Repair, or RMDR for short, is a 4.5-day classroom training course. To attend the course, you will need to have already attended our mobile device repair training. Whereas our intermediate mobile device repair course focuses on finding board-level faults and replacing components, RMDR is focused on replacing faulty chips, which may be preventing a device from booting reliably. Experienced trainers will guide you through the process of removing faulty chips from iPhone circuit boards and then resoldering working replacements. You'll learn techniques for repairing damaged pads on a printed circuit board, in addition to both separating and then recombining the stacked circuit boards seen in the iPhone X and later models. Our repair courses are taught with 2 trainers and up to 8 students in our well-equipped classroom located at the Electronics Group's premises in Leeds. In the classroom, delegates benefit from their own lab bench with high-quality micro soldering station, digital microscope, hot air station, and bench power supply. The trainer's microscope is connected to a large screen TV at the front of the classroom, meaning that students get an excellent view of techniques being demonstrated. Students can choose from a wide range of hot and cold sandwich options, along with tea and coffee provision in a separate breakout area. Accommodation is available within walking distance of the training venue and close to an array of restaurants and bars in the popular Headingley area.